Hey, it's Jack. Today is Thursday, and I want to give you an update on the broad market and look at a couple of stocks I think you'll be really interested in. So to find out what's going on with the broad market, we type in ticker symbol SPY. I like to look at a stock chart in a 6-month time frame ending today. And here we see that it is not as bullish as it has been. Last couple days, the broad market has been a little weak, and it's right now at that short-term trend point. Now, this can be a point of resistance if the market starts to fall a little bit from here, but just know that the broad market just is not as bullish as it was. Then I take a look at DIA. This is an ETF that tracks the Dow Jones, and you can see here it's actually below 2 of the 3 trend points. So no longer are we in a bull market right here. We're in no man's land, okay? So that's very important because overall we're in a stock picker's market. And I'll touch on that here in a second. But let's look at the third index I like to use. QQQ is an ETF that tracks NASDAQ. And as you can see, that is flat. And it's similar to the Dow in that it's not nearly as bullish as it was, and in fact, it is traded below that short-term trend point. Now, all 3 indexes are no longer as bullish as they were. They're not bearish, but they're definitely not bullish. We put them in a sideways trend, and that means we're in a stock picker's market. So what does a stock picker's market mean? It means we're going to pick stocks that are trending better than the broad market. Okay, so we looked at the broad market indexes, and we can find stocks that are doing much better than that. As I mentioned in the last couple videos, I'm looking for stocks that have made a new 52-week high, that have the support of at least 6 months trend behind them. This is a great example. You can see here that some of these are just really, this is silver right here, and it's making a new high. People wanted to see Amazon. That looks great. Now that's about as good as it gets right now. All right, that's a beautiful trend. It's up almost full 6 months going back to here. It's above all 3 trend points. This is exactly the type of stock we want to focus on. Stay tuned. I'll have another good video for you next week.